Hello friends, welcome to Samgadukara National Model School Latur. Myself Krishna sir. I'm a math teacher. And today we're going to start the term 2. In that, the first lesson is there. That will start today. The name of the lesson is quite new for you, but you have learned in third standard. So you need to remember what we have learned in third standard. So here we are going to start with chapter number 8, fractions 1. Fractions we have learned in third standard. In that, you have learned about like fractions and many more things. Addition, subtraction of like fractions we have learned. So here we'll start with the concept 8.1, that is equivalent fractions. But before that, we'll learn about the fractions. We'll remember the things which you have learned in third standard. So let's start with the introduction of fractions and then we'll go forward to the equivalent fraction, that is concept 8.1. So here, fraction is a number which is denoted in the form of like this. Here, one number is below the line and one number is above the line, and this line is there. So the representation of number in this format is known as the fraction. And here, the number which is at the top, on the top, we can say above the line, it's known as the numerator. And numerator represent the how many equal parts we have described. Describe means how many equal parts we have chosen, how many equal parts we have consumed, or any other way that we will see. And the number which is below the line is known as the denominator. Denominator means total number of parts. This definition is quite new, but if you go to the figure, you can easily understand. Here, this circle is divided into two equal parts. Equal parts, many times I am telling because it should be equal parts. If it is not equal parts, then the fraction is not correct. Here, so two equal parts we have here of one circle, out of which one part is colored in blue. So here, one part out of two equal parts is colored in green. So easily you can say half part, half of circle, 1 upon 2 is colored in blue. So this is the way to show the fractions. Here one part, one means how many part is colored, and the 2, that is denominator, means total number of parts. 2 is total number of parts and 1 is one number of parts we have chosen, we have described, we have consumed, we have used. This is the way to describe the fraction. This is the way to write the fractions. Moving forward, we'll see the part of whole. As just now we have seen the figure of circle, the same way we describe the pizza also. Here, parts of a whole. The fraction nothing but the part of whole. Whole means what? The whole thing. Here, the pizza is shown. Pizza is one whole, one pizza. And this pizza is divided into 6 equal parts. Again and again I am telling equal parts. The parts should be equal. So here one whole pizza is divided into 6 equal parts. If you consume one part of pizza, if you eat one part of pizza, you will get 1 out of 6. If 2, 2 out of 6. If 3, 3 out of 6. If you eat whole pizza, then you have eaten 6 out of 6 parts of all pizza. We can say one whole pizza we have eaten. You like the pizza most, I know. That's why I've chosen this example. I hope you have understood the fractions. Now moving forward, we'll see what is meant by whole. Whole means the same. Just now I have described 6 upon 6. Here on the top number and bottom number are same. It shows that the whole number. 4 upon 4, 5 upon 5, 8 upon 8, 55 upon 55, 86 upon 86. No matter how the number is big, if the denominator is same, the fraction is shown as the one whole we can say. Then moving forward, we see the parts of whole. Here in parts of whole, first example, 1 upon 4. One part is colored in green out of 4 equal parts. Then second one, half, 1 upon 2. One part is colored out of 2 equal parts. And third one, that is 3 upon 4. Here 3 parts out of 4 equal parts colored in blue. Okay, so these are the fractions I hope you understood. In next video, we'll see the equivalent fractions and we'll see how to find out what is the use of equivalent fractions. So, bye students. Enjoy your day.